Morning class, welcome to the biology class. Today we will discuss cell size and surface area to volume ratio. Okay, we have discussed that there are different types of cells and they have different shapes according to their function. Okay, for example, the smallest cells are the bacteria cells, which is called a mycoplasm, and its diameter is about 0.1 to 1 micrometer, and the bulkiest cells are the egg cells. Okay, and the longest cells are present in the some muscle cells. Okay, so there are different types of cells. Some cells are small, some are large, and some are bulkiest, and other cells are present between these extremes. Okay, now why these cells are different in their sizes and shape, we have discussed in our previous class. Cell size and shapes are related to their functions. Okay, according to the functions, cells have different sizes and shapes. Okay, for example, bird egg cells, they are bulky because they contain a large amount of nutrients for their developing youngs. And long muscle cells, their basic function is they are involved in the movement, and so these long muscle cells are efficient in pulling different body parts. So that's how they are involved in movement. And similarly, the nerve cells, they are lengthy, and because of this lengthiest structure, they can transmit messages between different parts of the body. Okay, it means different cells have different functions, and that's why they have different shapes and sizes. And similarly, there are some small cells too, and they have some other benefits too. It doesn't mean small cells do not have any benefits. Small cells, they also have benefits. For example, human blood cells, red blood cells, they are very small, and its diameter is about 8 micrometer. Diameter of human red blood cell is 8 micrometer, and therefore they can move through the tiniest capillaries, our tiniest blood vessels, and they can exchange the gases. So it means that the small cells also have benefits. Okay, now we will discuss how their cell sizes and surface area to volume ratio are related. Okay, to understand this, we have example. For example, this is 2 cubes, and these are small cubes, and it is large cube, and its volume of both are same. Okay, how can we calculate the volume? Volume is basically calculated as volume is equal to its length, its width, and its height. So its length is about 30 micrometer, and is a cube. That's why all sides are equal. Its volume is, we can calculate, is 30 micrometer into 30 micrometer into 30 is equal to 27,000 micrometers. So volume, if we calculate both of the large and small cells have same volume. Okay, now their surface area are different. How now, first of all, how can we calculate this surface area? Surface area is basically of this cube can be calculated because a cube has 6 sides. So its surface area is 6 times the area of its one side, square of its one side. Okay, surface area आप कैसे निकालेंगे? surface area जो है इसके जो 6 जो इसका साइड्स हैं उसको आप करेंगे, इसके जो एरिया जो एक साइड का होगा उसके स्क्वायर के साथ आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो फॉर एग्जांपल आप इस सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द लार्ज क्यूब. लार्ज क्यूब का कैसे निकलेगा? लार्ज क्यूब के 6 साइड्स हैं तो इज इक्वल टू 6, एंड देन इसके साइड्स देखें इज इक्वल टू 30 माइक्रोमीटर. तो 30 माइक्रोमीटर को क्यूब में लेंगे तो इट्स 2 टाइम्स, तो इट्स देन इक्वल टू 54,000. Okay, now this is the surface area of one लार्ज क्यूब। ओके, इसी तरह स्मॉल क्यूब का आप निकालें तो इट इज़ इक्वल टू 6 इंटू इसका एक साइड का एरिया देखें 10 माइक्रोमीटर है तो इट्स अबाउट 600 माइक्रोमीटर। और इसी तरह से यू कैन आल्सो कैलकुलेट द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्मॉल क्यूब्स, इट्स अबाउट इक्वल टू 16,200 micrometer square. Okay, so we can calculate the surface area by this formula. Actually what basically surface area of large volume of cube have less as compared to the surface area of small cubes. अब देखें surface area जो small cubes का है वो ज़्यादा है और जो surface area वो जो large cube का है it's less. तो it means that the small cells have large surface area और and large cells have less surface area. अगर आप एक ही वॉल्यूम के दो क्यूब्स हों तो जो लार्ज क्यूब है दे हैव लेस सरफेस एरिया और जो स्मॉल जो क्यूब्स हैं दे हैव मोर सरफेस एरिया. Actually this help in different functions. For example, need of nutrients and rate of waste products, they are basically directly proportional to the cell volume. यानी जितना सेल वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा होगा उतना ही आपके वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट और जो डिफरेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो ज़्यादा आप सेल कैन एबल टू होल्ड देम. तो सम व्हाट सेल डू, सेल टेक अप दीज न्यूट्रिएंट्स and they excrete waste product through their cell membrane. So what happens, so large cell volume demands the large surface area, but as we have seen that large cell have very small surface area as compared to the smaller cells. Smaller cells have large surface area, hence we can conclude that the membranes of small cells can serve their volume more easily than membrane of large cells. Okay, it means कि small जितने cells होंगे they have more surface area और large cells have less area, and so we can conclude that small cells can serve their volume more easily than the membrane of large cells. Okay, I hope you will understand it, learn it properly, and make MCQs, short questions from it. Okay, from today. Allah Hafiz.